Welcome to our channel. This is FemMNY if you're new here. And to all the subscribers that's always there, thank you guys for coming back. And thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, I will be making another beautiful balloon setup. And this is gonna be a heart balloon. You can use this for any special occasion, not just for Valentine's Day. The materials we'll be using here today, it includes our pool noodle. And we will cut one of this. We have a total of 3. We'll cut one of this, so find the half of your pool noodle and then just cut it off. Just like that. So now we will connect this here because we want this longer. Okay, using our tape, our clear tape. I'll do the same thing with the other side, the other one. Just like that, the tape. Okay, so now we will shape this into a heart. So it's gonna be like this. Before we put this together, before we take this together, we will grab our rubber band. So you can get this online. This is the mini rubber band. I will put them all in here. Not all of them, some. And alright, so I got all the miniature rubber band right on here. I put a lot in there just in case I need some. Alright, so we will connect this like that. This will be our cool heart. And we will put the rubber band close to here, one on the tip. So we just have to move them around. Okay. And there goes our heart. So now I also have my balloon stand right here. You can also get this online. I fill this with water. Put this like that. And flip this. So it's not going nowhere. Okay? And see this one here, there's a hole. We will put this just like that. So it'll keep your heart standing upright, just like this. Okay? Bring this up just like that. Okay, which balloon we're gonna be using today? So we have 5 inches red, we have gold and white. So they're all 5 inches. We will inflate this to 3 inches or 7.62 centimeter. Alright, so you made a bunch of this, so I actually pre-made some of them. So what we're gonna do is we'll start off on here. So the rubber band that we have here, we will put this in. Just like that. Just feed it to your rubber band. So in one rubber band you need to have 5 pairs of balloons. Just like that. You want to make sure it falls in between. So the same thing on the next rubber band. Alright, as I said, you have to go all the way until you fill this up with balloons. So now I'll be working on this side. I know it doesn't shape like a heart right now, but later on you will be eventually shaping it like that. So now we'll start on this side. Same thing, you want to put 5 on each rubber band. Alright guys, so we're almost done with our balloons here. So before we continue, we will use this one right here. This is just temporary, just so we can have our heart shape. So I'll put this here, I'll tie it on the end, just so you can pull this and shape it like a nice heart shape. On the bottom for now, just so we can shape this, as I said, into a heart, nice heart shape. So just like that for now. So we have our nice shape of our heart, and now we can continue on putting our balloons. Right, so let's finish this. Right guys, here's a balloon, so it's now time to get rid of this string. So before we do that, I have 4 or 5 inches balloon and I inflated this to 4 inches. You have to put it together. Just like that. We'll put it on the bottom right here. We will replace this so it'll stay up like that. Just a little support, and then I will use our fishing line, 20-pound fishing line. I'll tie it on our balloon. Tie it to our balloon. Put it under. And then just lasso it down. Like that. So we will also get rid of this string, as I said, and we'll replace it with our fishing line, so it's nice and clear. You'll be able to see. And then we'll get rid of this string. And now it's time to add this flower, and if you want to know how to make this one, if you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out, and we'll add it right on here. I made a bunch of them, or 4 of this. We'll add this here to make it look good, and we'll just have to connect them and use our balloon glue dots. Alright, so for the final touch, we'll attach this leaves right here. So if you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow along right there on how to make this beautiful leaf. It's a great addition to your bouquet or arrangement. So with that said, I will put this on here and attach using our balloon glue dots. And there you go, this is the final look of our heart balloon. I hope you like this, and if you do, please give us your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Bam Bam NY. The total balloons we use here, by the way, is total of 300 balloons, 45 inches balloons. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.